Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Texas Decor and More. It's Monday, it's midday, and I just wanted to say hi and thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, I wish that you would join my little YouTube family and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and you will be automatically notified every time I upload a cleaning video or a vlog or a decorating videos, because that's what I do here on my channel. So today this is going to be my part one of my 3-part cleaning video. I will be working on my kitchen and dining room area. So yeah, this is my Monday clean part one. Y'all stay tuned for part 2 and 3, because we're going to be working on some other things as well. Y'all enjoy watching. You can clean with me if you want to. You can just sit down and relax and watch my video, or you can clean with me while I clean. It's totally up to you, but I'm going to get motivated, and if I can just help somebody in this world get motivated with me, that would be really great, because that's what I'm trying to do here. So let's get started, and let's get motivated, and let's do it.